In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram, try another device to continue issue. Let's get started. First up, check your internet connection. So launch settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, update Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Now update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is use your Instagram in the web version. So close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website instagram.com. Now from here, you can try to log into your account and access your Instagram account. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram from your device and reinstall it. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you can do is contact Instagram support. Reach out to Instagram support for further assistance, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.